Awesome! You made it to lesson 4. Today, we're going to learn how to say orange or oranges in Chinese. 橙子 Please repeat after me. 橙子橙子橙子 Here is the trick. If you say it faster, the second tone is gonna be so light that you cannot even recognize it. It sounds like 橙子橙子橙子 Let's review what we've learned so far. Apple or apples, 苹果苹果 Banana or bananas, 香蕉香蕉 Grape or grapes, 葡萄葡萄 Orange or oranges, 橙子橙子 Well done! 好样的 See you tomorrow. 明天见 I've spent lots of time, energy, and effort into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina, no boring grammar, or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.